Good morning, Green Acres! Today is Monday. It is September the 21st and it is a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, let's make sure that we are starting off marking period 2 right by getting to class on time. That means logging in early, setting up Schoology, and being ready to go when class begins. Let's be sure that we're taking care of our business. Speaking of marking period 2, we are starting new today. Today is the start of marking period 2, and that means that next week, grades will be coming out. You will have your report cards sent home through the mail. But now is the time to start working on any missed standards. Recover that work. Let's make sure we are continuing to be as effective as possible. Be ambitious. Don't let those grades just slide on by. Do what you can do. Continue working hard. TDAP is happening tomorrow. If you are a 7th grader, or in some cases, some of you 8th graders, have not gotten your TDAP vaccination, you will not be able to start school when we come face to face until you have that. So we do have a clinic happening tomorrow in the Murphy Center between 9 and 11 a.m. We also have them happening at other middle schools. Check out the website for more information. And this week, as our thought for the week, let's talk about being respectful. It costs $0 to treat someone with respect. It's free. All it does is take a little time and a little energy. That's it. Hey, let's be positive. Let's be good human beings out there, right? That's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with Heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with Heart. Have a great day.